Hello guys and gals, and welcome back to Nerd Night. As always, I'm your host, Julian Kite, bringing you the latest in movies, games, and pop culture. Today, we're taking a closer look at Doctor Strange and the Multiverse of Madness, directed by Sam Raimi.
What have you done? I never meant for this to happen. You cannot control everything.
You brought this on yourself.
You break the rules and become a hero. I do it and I become the enemy.
Benedict Cumberbatch and Elizabeth Olsen reprised their roles for the second installment of Doctor Strange, bringing with it plenty of ups, downs, and genuine surprises. But before we get into that, let's talk a little bit about the required watching before jumping in. At this point, there are about 28 Marvel movies connected to the MCU and give or take 12 TV shows. So for the average person, jumping in this late into the game could be pretty intimidating. But I'm happy to say this movie delivers a fun and engaging story for a pretty small watch list. I'd say the only really required watching before Multiverse of Madness is Doctor Strange 1 and maybe WandaVision. Both of these will give you some background and familiarity with our two main characters of this film. So that aside, let's talk about the movie. Dr. Stephen Strange returns, now settled into his ordinary life as a superhero. While attending a wedding for the lost love of his life, Christine Palmer, Strange is confronted by the sacrifices he has made throughout his time as an Avenger. Given no time to mourn, however, Strange encounters America Chavez, a new character with the power to punch holes through the multiverse. On the run from extra-dimensional threats seeking to steal her power, Doctor Strange must seek help from his allies throughout the multiverse to protect her.
We should tell him the truth.
While the premise may sound standard, I assure you, with Sam Raimi in the driver's seat, the film is sure to be anything but. Sam Raimi's horror background with The Evil Dead and superhero stardom with the 2000 Spider-Man trilogy meet together in this film and create a wonderfully energetic and at times gruesome story, something we really haven't seen from Marvel until now. Overall, Doctor Strange and the Multiverse of Madness is a fun action comedy with thriller tropes that will make any Raimi or horror fan smile. While it may not be the most narratively cohesive entry into the MCU, it also comes with one of the shortest lines to enter, with really only one movie and one show backing it up. This one definitely surprised me. As someone who had become a little bit cynical of the Marvel movie formula, Sam Raimi was the perfect choice to shake things up. Thanks again for tuning into Nerd Night, your place for the latest in movies, games, or pop culture. I've been Julian Kite, signing out. See ya.